Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Sandeep. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, we are going to build an application that is going to take screenshot while you press a specific key. This is going to be very handy while you are working on a project. Let's say you are watching a tutorial video and you need to take a screenshot of the code, right? So you can just use this application and you don't have to, every time you don't have to, take the screenshot, you don't have to, paste it on MS Paint and save it. Rather, this application is going to do everything on your behalf. All right, let's get started. All right. So, first of all, we are going to install a few applications. We are going to open the terminal and we are going to install pimp install keyboard. For me, it is already installed there, and we will require pip install. Right. So these are the two packages we needed to install. Now let's build the application. Okay. So we are going to import keyboard. Then we are going to import PyAuto GUI and import time. All right. Now we are going to make this function def take screenshots. All right. Now we are going to comment this time. Like every time it will be saving the name, right? So we will need this time function here. The variable will be timestamp time dot. Okay. Now this is the variable, and then we are going to capture the screenshot. Screenshot. Now we're going to set the file path and save the screenshot. right. Now we are going to print out a message there. You can just copy from here. Screenshot saved file path. Okay. And we are going to declare the hotkey. To Alt H. You can specify any combination here. Then keyboard dot add hotkey. Now hotkey take screenshot. Okay. Now keyboard dot weight equal to C. Keyboard dot unread. Unregistered hotkey. Okay, this is the hotkey. Over here, we are just registering the hot callback function, right? We are just declaring the hotkey here, like set the hotkey, and we are setting the hotkey here. Over here, we are setting the callback function. Okay. The script will be running until you press escape key. The script will be running until the user yes. Okay. Now, now we are going to unregister it. Unregister the hotkey before exiting. All right. Now let's test the application. test. Let's run the application. Okay, right. Let's open a browser. Okay, I'm just capturing some screenshot here by pressing the declared key Alt H. All right, guys, so let's take a look where these files are saved. Okay, looks like we got some error here. Right, there's a mistake with the string format. Okay, right. Let, let's rerun this script. All right, just try to see. Okay, looks like we got a screenshot here. As you can see, it is printing out the name of the screenshot. All right, now let's go to this video and let's see. Okay, let's press the key Alt H. Okay, press. I'll go here. Okay, let's see if that worked or not. All right, as you can see, we have got all this screenshot saved in this directory. Now I'm going to, this is the directory where the files are saved. Let me open it and let's go here. All right, let's just refresh. All right, this is the first screenshot. Okay, now as you can see that we have got all the screenshot saved. So you don't have to capture a screenshot, open MS file or MS application and save it. So this is pretty handy and it is going to be very useful. Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful. It will be really appreciated if you can give it a like and please subscribe to my channel for more such educational content. Alright, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye bye.